Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to find angle measures. And angle measures we're going to use a different button on our calculator. So first we have to set up our trig function based off the information we know. So if we're trying to find n, we know we have the opposite and we have the hypotenuse. So opposite and hypotenuse is our sine. So I'm going to go sine of n equals opposite 6/10. And so now we have our trig function set up. To find this n, all we're going to do is type in, or we can write it like this. We're going to find n by doing the sine of a -1, which is on your calculator, 6/10. And if you type that into your calculator, which is the second function, if I go second function sine, and I do the fraction 6/10, hit enter, I'm going to get a long decimal, 36 point, but we're going to round to the nearest tenth, so one decimal place. And so I get an 8/6, which rounds up to 36.9. And so our angle measure is 36.9. So let's look at our second angle here, angle B. So we have to look what information is given to us. We have an adjacent and we have a hypotenuse. So that's going to be our cosine of angle B equals our adjacent over our hypotenuse. And then all I'm going to do is write the angle B with the cosine with the -1 of that fraction. And you type that in your calculator. So if I go second function cosine, do my fraction button, 8/16, and hit enter, I'm going to get 60. So B, it doesn't have a decimal, so 60 is our angle measure for that particular problem.